Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings with Shannon Rollings Real Estate. As a buyer, when you're putting in an offer, there are two routes you can take. One is put in your highest and best offer to start with in order to win the deal in this multiple offer climate that we're in, or two, include an escalation clause. An escalation clause is a provision you can put in the contract that says you're willing to go up X amount over the highest offer given up to a certain dollar amount. So there are three things you need to include. What is your original offer price? How much are you willing to go over the highest offer that a seller may receive? And up to what price are you willing to go? So for example, if a house is listed at $300,000 and you're willing to go up to $310,000 on it, you may put in an offer perhaps that says you're offering $300,000, but you're willing to go $1,000 over any other offer that is provided up to $310,000. So it might put you in the position where you can win the deal. Be cautious though. Be sure not to put out a number that you're really not that comfortable going up to, because it may in fact get bumped up to that price, and you have to be willing to actually go to that price. I hope this has been helpful, a great tip for winning the deals. If we can help you in buying or selling down the road, give us a call. We're here to help.